Arvi. मेरे फोन पे लाइव चला जाओ. Yes, please come. Please come.
Oh, that problem. Arshita, cake दिखना है ना? फिर मैं भेज एक 1 minute.
3136.
Check it.
Wow. Artist you can write.
Yeah.
I was about to say I'm doing another shoot with you.
As a club PSG, we are very happy to host Pop Culture here. Adi is a very special friend, and Adi has given us a chance to host them.
Oh, you have given us a chance, Priyank. Okay, it's a great collaboration too.
And then release the video, what Adi will be releasing tonight. So as a club PSG, we are really happy that they are the part of us, and they have got the Santa gift for us, being coming to PSG and partying here.
PhD talks about music and they have a music watch.
Right.
Priyank, what do you have to say about that?
So practically PhD, we are doing PhD in music, so wherein we are looking forward to launch number of music videos, getting the artists here. So this is the start. On 25th of December, we are starting with Adi.
I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
What do you have to say about this?
I'm so happy that Priyank accommodated us, and we've been really working hard towards the videos, and I was finding a very appropriate, young, fresh place where we could launch the videos with, which is very youth and all, because our mashup which we're releasing is like pure saal ki mehnat. So I've shot that video for like really long, and it's going to be one of its kinds. Nobody has in India has collaborated so many artists and been shooting since so long. So what better than PhD? And I've already done the technical rehearsals today in the evening, and it looks
Spectacular.
fantastic. That's a surprise. She doesn't know yet. But अभी उनका birthday गया, and she is my bestie. And हम जो दूसरा video release कर रहे हैं, that is her favorite song, रश्के कमर का cover है, which has been sung by Jeffrey Iqbal, an American Indo singer, amazing song. So this is a gift from me to my bestie Arshi. This is a New Year gift for her. This is a Christmas gift for her, and yes, a surprise birthday bash also.
Practically at PSG right now for a new year, we have gotten one in-house DJ, and we are calling DJ Maddie, who's from Mumbai itself. So we are promoting the local DJ rather than calling from DJ from abroad. So we are pushing the local talent here. We have got a number of sections. We have a 5 section here, from a club to a lounge to a private section and a terrace. So people can enjoy. We have a range where people do not have to shell out only 50-60,000 for a table. We start from 20K to 1.5. So we are accommodating everyone according to their budget.
I'm sorry? New Year plans, you have no idea. My schedule has been so jam-packed completely. As soon as I launch the videos, I am off to go after 2 days, where we have another major beach event, I would say that, with a lot of hot babes, a lot of MTVNs who all are associated with us, and I'm totally looking out for that event also. Once I'm done with 29th ko hai wo event, then I'm going to really take a deep breath, go to the beach, do a lot of party, and start my new year on a very positive
dreams come true and many more blessings. And I wish Aditya for his new album. It's a rocking song. It's an amazing. I see him growing, and now I see him as a director. So all the best wishes. All the best wishes to him. And PhD is one of the bestest nightclub. Hey party people, please do drop in. It's one of the kick-ass plays. Just wear your dancing heels and dancing shoes, and make sure that you get onto the floor and party till morning, till the breakfast, till sunrise. The best place in Andheri suburbs. I think you should check it out. Party people, you have a new place in Andheri Western suburbs that's called PhD. So hope to see you all here with your dancing heels and dancing shoes. Make sure that like drop here and have a kick-ass party harder. I mean, just like Merry Christmas and wish you Happy New Year for your new blessings. That's it.
I can't hear
I
you.
can't hear you.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज की सेलिब्रेशन के लिए और आज
So Addy is my very very dear friend, and इस गाने पे हम कब से काम कर रहे थे, and he used to scold me, ऐसे कर, ऐसे act कर, lip sync कर. And it was so much fun shooting with
She
him.
was like my first choice as soon as I saw her. Before even she entered MTV Splitsville, actually she's my neighbor still.
Yeah, I'm still his neighbor.
You know, we have a lot of common friends. I always used to tell her, Myra, you are a star, for sure. And I'm so proud. I mean, as an agency or even digital video producer, director, Splitsvilla, and now she's doing 2 Star Plus shows, Ishqbaz.
Yeah, Ishqbaz and Maharaja Ki Jai, both prime time guys, do watch it.
And then in 6 months हो गए हमें मैशअप का शूट किए हुए, जो अभी भी हम कर ही रहे थे 2 दिन तक पहले. It was a major big video. So she was my sudden choice and she killed it. I used to tell you.
Yeah, I just went to meet him and he's like, wait, you gonna do this video right now? And मैं तैयार भी नहीं थी.
मैं तैयार भी नहीं थी, इसने खुद ही अपना मेकअप किया and I've taken her shots on Love Me Like You Do, and you will see the video and you will say, wow,
I
she's
hope you
killed
guys
it.
like it. I hope.
It will, it's amazing.
क्लब पीएचडी के बारे में पूछना चाहेंगे आप लोगों से कि एम्बियंस कैसा लग रहा है क्या
मैं पहली बार क्लब PhD आई हूँ, एंड लेट्स सी कैसा फील आता है. अच्छा लग रहा है फिलहाल, तो आगे हम अच्छा बना देंगे.
बहुत अच्छा बना दे.
चाहेंगे आपने क्लब पीएचडी के बारे में
तो ओपनिंग पे भी आया था क्लब PhD की, और मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा that I thought that I'm going to keep a launch here. And Priyank is a dear friend now, and Parul, and it's a big collaboration.
Oh my god.
And yeah, we're going to be rocking tonight completely. Thank you so much.
सर क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज क्लब पीएचडी की क्रिसमस पार्टी और आदित्य जो वीडियो लॉन्च करने वाले हैं उसके बारे में बताइए.
See, it's fun because whenever you go out for the parties in Mumbai, and especially the place like PhD, I was here when it was the opening day, and I'm seeing the changes. It's so beautiful now. The club is like on the rock, and I can say yeah, we are just grooved about the party, and yeah, of course, Merry Christmas to all of you. Enjoy this beautiful year ahead, which is 2019. I'm gonna play in Nasik. So I'll see you guys in 2019.
आदित्य सिंह राजपूत के वीडियोस भी लॉन्च होने वाले हैं उसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे.
See, Addy is a very talented guy. All the time, whenever he's basically rather an enthusiastic person. So whenever he does something, it's very stylish. So I wish luck to Addy and his team for this beautiful moment.
मैंने हमेशा से यही बोला है कि मैं हमेशा हॉट दिखती हूँ।
तबाही तबाही।
थैंक यू सो मच। और आज थोड़ा सा नींद में थी, इसलिए अच्छे से आप लोग से गुफ्तगू नहीं कर पा रही, बिकॉज 10 दिन से लगातार ट्रैवलिंग हो रहा है। तो आई एम सो हैप्पी और मज़ा आने वाला है। विश यू अ वेरी वेरी क्रिसमस।
मैरी क्रिसमस।
मैं कभी भी न्यू ईयर के लिए कभी प्लान नहीं करती हूँ। जो होता है वो होता जाता है मेरी लाइफ के अंदर, और मैं उसको एक्सेप्ट करती रहती हूँ।
अरे मैंने नहीं बताना था, वो सरप्राइज था।
मेरा बर्थडे 29 नवंबर था, तब से हर सिटी के अंदर जहाँ मैं इवेंट कर रही हूँ वहाँ पर मेरा बर्थडे की केक कट हो रहे हैं। तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि आफ्टर बिग बॉस कम से कम मेरे 50 केक तो कट रहे हैं।
और आज भी मैं सरप्राइज देने वाला था, आपने क्यों बता दिया ये?
जी
हाँ, Parul has seen it, Parul has seen it.
एक्चुअली मैं हमेशा से अच्छा करना चाहती हूँ, बिकॉज इंडस्ट्री उसी चीज़ की है, और अगर आप उस चीज़ पे ध्यान नहीं देंगे तो शायद आप कब आएंगे कब जाएंगे और लोग आपको याद भी नहीं कर पाएंगे। इसलिए हमेशा नई नई चीज़ें करना पड़ती हैं आपके फैंस के लिए, आपको जो फॉलो करते हैं। तो बस वही दिमाग में था।
And you guys won't believe, हमने जो पहला वीडियो किया था नखरे, वो 4 दिन पहले we planned it, और ये 2 दिन पहले we planned it। मुझे इतना स्ट्रेस हो जाता है क्योंकि अर्शी एकदम बोलती है अभी शूट करते हैं, और कहाँ से गाना लाऊं, कहाँ से लोकेशन, कहाँ से
टाइम नहीं
टीम।
रहता, और मैं मुंबई में आती हूँ और मैं इसको फ़ोन करती हूँ, हेलो चलो शूट कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि शूट कर लेते हैं।
और एक फोटो शूट के साथ साथ हमारा वीडियो बनना, उसकी एडिटिंग अर्शी तो शूट करके चली रही है। मुझे कितनी प्रॉब्लम होती है अर्शी?
बेटा तुम्हें तो प्रॉब्लम झेलनी पड़ेगी पूरी जिंदगी।
एंड बाय द वे ये हमारा तीसरा वीडियो है आधे साल में। आवर कोलैबोरेशंस हैज बीन अमेजिंग। आवर टीम ऑफ बेस्टीज, जो हम पार्टी भी करते हैं, काम भी करते हैं, बहुत सारी गॉसिप भी करते हैं,
यस
एंड लाइक वी वर्क अमेजिंगली वेल, एंड सब लॉन्च भी करते हैं। इट्स अमेजिंग एब्सोल्युटली।
क्लब पीएचडी का खाना बहुत अच्छा है, अमेजिंग फूड है, और मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आता है यहाँ पर। बड़े अच्छे अच्छे जो भी हमें सर्व करते हैं वो बड़े मज़ेदार लोग हैं, बड़ा मज़ा आता है।
और हम पीएचडी के लॉन्च पे आए थे, हम दोनों ही आए थे, और अर्शी ने मुझे, जब हम प्लान कर रहे थे कि लॉन्च कहाँ करें, तो अर्शी ने बोला पीएचडी में करते हैं यार, बहुत अच्छा खाना है, कितनी
बिकॉज
चीज़
खाना
सर्विस है,
अमेजिंग है।
ड्रिंक्स आर वेरी नाइस, एंड एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट पार एक्सीलेंस कंप्लीटली। थैंक यू सो मच।
आप सब लोगों को जो क्रिसमस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगी, और नए साल की भी। और पार्टी कीजिएगा, मैं यहाँ पर पार्टी करने के मूड से आई हूँ। और मैं आदित्य को भी चाहूँगी वो अपने करियर में जो उनकी म्यूज़िक वीडियोस आ रहे हैं उसमें वो तरक्की पाए और बहुत अच्छे से काम करे। मैं उन्हें कई सालों से जानती हूँ, बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं वो मेरे, और बहुत ही अच्छे एक्टर भी हैं। दैट्स इट। थैंक यू सो मच।
तुम्हें ज़्यादा बोलना चुगली मत कर, चुगली मत कर। Okay, I have seen that video and it's amazing. Of course, Arshi is looking really nice. Arshi is looking really nice. She's looking really beautiful. And I'm so sad, like, because I was not there in that video.
Because otherwise Pari is always in
I'm
our all
always there in
videos, but
any
she is in
video.
our mashup. वो वूल्स में भी थी, एंड वो मैशअप में भी बहुत ही बढ़िया पार्ट में है। एंड वैसे पहले भी हम तीनों ने एक वीडियो किया था स्मॉल, जो हैलोवीन्स के लिए था। सो वी थ्री चिल टुगेदर, पार्टी टुगेदर, वर्क टुगेदर।
Anything else?
Anything else?
Anything else? Okay, this is my first time, of course, and I can see it's amazing. I can see people around. It's amazing. So let's see. अभी मैं कितना hard party करने वाली that what's
बहुत
matter.
party करने वाली. You have to stay till late because Mashup we are playing by 11:30,
I'm gonna
12.
stay till late for sure.
Get drunk, get drunk.
Yeah.
Avi.
Sorry. Oh, don't ask about the experience.
क्योंकि मैं इसे हमेशा बिकनी या स्पूचिंग सीन से देता हूँ.
And I'm
Mashup में भी है इसका
और
स्पूचिंग सीन.
sometimes it's really hard to understand, you know, कि ये करता क्या है. कभी fight करता है, कभी कुछ करता है, but it's always fun working with him.
और जो
Always.
रिजल्ट आता है सब बोलती है, परी बोलती है मैंने तो सोचा ही नहीं था यार इतना अच्छा निकल कर
Yeah,
आएगा.
he's very good in editing and all everything. He's amazing.
Thank you so much. स्मूथ सीन कितना डिफिकल्ट था.
Okay, it was. I can't explain. I'm so sorry.
Because she can't explain because she's very professional and मैंने से पूछा भी कि should I keep the wounds का smooching scene in the mashup because it's a collaboration of a lot of videos.
Yeah.
She said please keep whatever you want. It's a professional thing and completely rock it on, which I totally love about her. She's very professional,
Yeah,
but she's mad.
always with you all.
उसमें अर्शी के opposite आरवी है.
Okay. So he's always rocking, and of course Arshi, as I told you, she's looking really good. I like her
इन
very
दोनों की
much.
chemistry बहुत अच्छी है आरवी
Yeah,
और
this is what matters actually now.
इसलिए I chose RV because he's done a lot of projects with us and it was brilliant.
Thank you so much.
What do you have to say about it?
Please, now it's your turn.
First of all, working with Eddie and Arshi always because they are way senior to me, so बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. And the thing is, I'm sorry.
Excited हो
The thing is, yeah. The thing is कि it's not about the best friend कि आप सब साथ में काम कर रहे हैं तो कि घर की खेती है तो ऐसा but and like आपके पास रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि आपको अपने आप को प्रूव करना है इन एवरी फ्रेम एवरी टेक, अदरवाइज बहुत ज़्यादा गाली पड़ेगी आपको.
बहुत गाली
I need the best performance out for
I know
sure.
it's good also.
See, first of all, मैं रात भर सो नहीं पाया था. मैं रात भर सो नहीं पाया था जिस दिन शूट था उस दिन मैंने बोला एडी उसमें बोल रहा मुझे कि
क्यों रात भर क्यों नहीं सो पाया था?
हाँ कि कितना तो थका हुआ लग रहा है उसके बाद बट आई थिंक आई डिड इट वेल.
Yeah, yes,
Good,
yes, you did.
Yeah,
You
it
did
was.
good. Good job.
First I was nervous, but when she comforts me, she's a very good co-actor and very helpful. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला, so that's our match.
We all are good actually. We all are good.
Yeah, she's also good. Oscar.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So first of all, congratulations to Addy, Nibby, Anmol and all of my friends who are in this video. I want to congratulate all of them and also PhD because this is a new place I'm visiting and I think it's going to be super fun. I want to wish you all Merry Christmas. Have a good night.
Congratulations to Addy and good job PhD. We can see a good, a good arrangement here. We are very excited for Addy's video and I wish you all very Merry Christmas.
And you will be watching us in Addy's next Valentine's video.
Absolutely,
We
yeah.
both.
हो जाए शुरू.
हो जाए? वो तो हो गई यार.
दिखा दे आशी,
कोई
दिखा
नहीं
दे.
रोक सकता.
आशी
allora. Boom! Merry Christmas, everybody!
Okay, where is Priyank? Priyank from PhD, the one who has kept this party, we have organized it. Priyank, please come. And one request, we're going to be playing both the videos back to back. Arshi's Rush Ke Kamal, which is a 1 minute long video, small video. And Pop Culture's finale 2019 video with a lot of MTVians and a lot of supermodels. Please, whoever can go live, guys, it's exclusive. Please go live on your Instagram and Facebook and make it successful. Okay? Can we play? Okay, Priya. Can we play the videos, please? Press, please. बाहर देखिए उस तरफ. उधर मुड़ जाइए. Very happy to have you all, and may we work with whoever is an aspiring model here or a talent. Let's put the energies together and let's make Pop Culture family huge, big, and rocking. Yes. Yeah. Thank you. And now, in like 15 minutes, we have a drag performance by Tropical Marka. You guys better watch for it. You guys better wait for her. She's gonna rock.
Hey yo guys, just last note. Archie the hottest combo! Yeah! Hey, listen to me, everybody, listen to me. Hey yo, when I say Merry, you say Christmas. Merry! Christmas! Merry! Christmas! Merry! Christmas! Merry! Christmas! Archie, we love you, baby girl. You know that you're the hottest girl in town.
Anything you want to say?
Seen him growing as an artist and now, I've seen him as an artist and now he's going to be a great director. All the best.
I have not left acting yet, but direction because it was before.
Many more to come.
Absolutely.
All the time, Eddie rocks as an actor and now as a director.
And even organizing parties. Guys, let's get back to the party before Tropical Marka. The Indian Nicki Minaj, he's a boy and he's a drag and he's going to completely rock the stage in 15 minutes. Music please! Let's play Taki Taki if we can now. Thank you.